What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yes, I'm very, very, very excited about this video, so I'm decided to post it. I've been seeing this online for the last, I don't know, some months, and I think I'm able to eat, and I can even eat on camera. So that's what I decided to do. And another thing, I've never ever in my life had lobster before. I'm not a really big seafood fan. I know some people love it, they can't do without it. My wife loves seafood, so I'm just regular chicken and turkey and all that good stuff. But seafood has never been my thing, but I'm so excited about eating this. Only because it's gonna be interesting. And this right here is from Crab and Spice. It's lobster, it's Hawaiian, and it's spicy, but it's like medium spicy because I'm not about that life with really spicy stuff. Plus, I be having stomach issues because I'm old now. And my son even said, this probably will make your stomach mess up. And he's 9, so I'm not gonna listen to him because I want to eat it. So, if y'all ready? I'm ready. Let's do it. All right. So this bag is, sorry, should open that first. This, usually they be having a lot more juice than this. Oops. So this one they were skimping on the juice a little bit, but no, I ain't mad at it. This right here, something I'm familiar with. This right here, this corn. And I see them all the time on the videos. One lady, she like to dip it, get it all juicy. And it's so funny because I think probably as a skill on YouTube, this would probably be the easiest thing to do. As far as everybody's talented, but just eating something that you do every day, just record it. How can you mess that up? So, I'm trying this corn first. I never tasted this Hawaiian spicy, so hopefully it's not too spicy. Here we go. Yep. It's corn. Tastes like corn. You know something else that's crazy is now people can get paid for being sloppy and eating and talking. How many times did we get in trouble as kids? Well, some of us. A lot of us didn't. As for eating and talking at the same time. Well, my mom ain't here down. So, the corn is really good. The juice makes it even better. This is really good. Let's see. I think I've done still a little more butter than spice right now. Okay, there we go. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. Okay, so this is the lobster tail. I'm not eating that yet. Y'all gonna have to wait and watch for that. It's really weird though. But okay. What else is in here? Sausage. Alright, so now this sausage looks really weird. It kind of looks like a basketball player's finger or something, right? Whoever likes that commercial knows what I'm talking about, but let's try this. They really didn't get no juice in here for real. Right. Okay. That is actually good. That's actually good right there. I I know some YouTubers have their own sauces, things they like to put on it. I haven't reached that level yet, but I decided one day, you know, I eat every day. Why can't I tape it? I'm gonna tape it. I'm trying new things. Year's almost up. This is 2018, about to be 2019. Why not? I'm getting older. I want to expand my palette of taste. So I'm starting off with this right here. This is seafood because this is out of my comfort zone. Then I'm gonna move on to some other stuff. I'm gonna record that for everybody. But if you got anything that you might want me to eat, you can comment. First of all, you can like this video. You can share it. Like it again. Laugh at it. Whatever you want to do. But comment on the below and see. Tell me what your favorite food is, and then I'll try it. Recipes. You can put a recipe. I can cook it. Can't really cook that good, but I can follow instructions really well. So just let me know. Well, this one so far is good. Something else from me in here that I know that I will like is a potato ball. I don't know if they're really called potato balls, but that's what I'm gonna call it. Sorry. You probably hear kids because I have 4 of them and they're gonna be in and out. That's my youngest right there. But maybe he'll eat some stuff with me too. But good. That tastes exactly like a potato. Well, a little spice on it. But the spice is good. I'm not gonna lie, it's good. I evened it out really well. Really nicely. The horse was corn. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna try something new every week and post it. And you know, and post it. You know, just for fun. Just for fun. Because I'm eating anyway. I might as well do it. Okay, so I'm really wasting time and avoiding this right here. I'm never eating this. Like I said before, I'm not a big fan of seafood. So this is probably gonna be very, very interesting. Because, first of all, I don't even know how to eat it. Okay, but, oh, it's dummy proof. They have it already cut. Excuse me. I'm gonna taste it. So, let me try to open it. Let's poke my hand. Okay. Alright. Look at that right there. Guess that's all. That's some kind of, okay, that's weird. That's some kind of vein or something. Yeah. This is gonna be so good. Sauce. See, they trying to hide the sauce down here, but I'm gonna get it. Oh. Alright. So, the sauce in this. The lady always dip it in the sauce first. Okay, so, moment of truth. No. Oh, and FYI, I did pray before this, so I'm praying again anyway. Did say my grace. Always say your grace. Always say your grace. Cause people, you know. All right, let me just eat it. This is so good. Yeah, I can't wait to eat this again. Okay. Tell you, it's not bad. It's not. Don't taste like chicken. It tastes like all of the ocean at once. Like, this dude was in the ocean. Probably not even the ocean. Actually, probably raised it to eat it in the first place. But it tastes like this dude been in the ocean, chilling out his whole life. Thought he was gonna live a good life. And as soon as he got a little fat, they came, swooped him up, and now I'm eating him. But, I mean, it's not bad. It's definitely seafood. Seafood. It tastes like the sea. Exactly like the sea. Smells and tastes, because I've been in the sea before. I tasted the water. But this is good. So this has been a success. I think I really like it. I am excited to try other things, just because I want to eat more than just chicken all the time. So yeah, comment down below, like the video, share it. Tell me what sauces you guys use on your seafood. Maybe it'll taste different. So let me know. Thanks for watching this video. Peace out. All right, bye.